Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the control board in your GE washer, you will need a drill driver with a 1/4-inch bit and needle nose pliers. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power to the appliance. Pull the wash selector knob to remove it. Unthread the 2 screws on the panel. Any missing screws can be ordered through the links in the description below. Pull the panel out from the bottom and slide it to the right to free it from the backsplash. Slide the backsplash back and tilt forward. Unhook the harness from the bracket. Noting the orientation, unplug all the harnesses. Remove the hose. Unthread the 4 screws holding the bracket. Squeeze the 2 pegs to fully release the bracket. Remove the control board. To install the new control board, gently set it in the backsplash and align it with the 4 mounting holes. Snap the 2 pegs of the bracket into the control board. Rethread the 4 screws. Push the hose over the sensor. Plug in all the wire harnesses. Loop the harness around the hook. Tilt the backsplash upright and insert the tabs into the slots. Push forward to lock it in place. Insert the panel tabs into the slots on the backsplash, then slide it left to secure it. Rethread the 2 screws. Align the knob on the D shaft and press into place. Plug in the washer. And your washer should be ready for use.